Video that made its rounds on social media. Here it is, filmed back in July. It shows firefighters dumping gallons of water right onto this baseball field. And now DC News Now's Dave Laval tells us 2 Montgomery County firefighters have been charged.
Captain Christopher Riley and Master Fireman Alan Barnes are both assigned to Station 16 here in Silver Spring. Both are charged with the same 3 crimes, including disorderly conduct and malicious destruction of property.
It was stupid more than anything.
But Craig Marine does not believe the 2 firefighters should be charged in connection with the July incident at Blair Baseball Stadium.
The firefighters, they're very brave people, but they're not known for their brains. So I wouldn't charge them with the crime. Why ruin their lives over, 30 seconds of stupidity?
Charging documents say the 2 sprayed thousands of gallons of water from their fire truck and flooded the field. That forced the cancellation of the game, hosted by the Silver Spring Tacoma Thunderbolts of the Cal Ripken Collegiate Baseball League.
That's appropriate.
Steve Ryle sees nothing wrong with the charges.
I think that's horrible that they disturbed the game with some fire hoses, and for what reason, I don't know.
Riley reportedly confronted the team's founder and told him he wanted to get his attention after several baseballs hit the station and cars. Riles offers his own solution.
They would put something up to avoid that if they know that there's a baseball field next door.
Each firefighter could spend up to 6 years in prison and pay thousands of dollars in fines if convicted.
Been a bit of an overreaction to an inconvenience. Nobody likes their cars getting hit with baseballs, but they could have just went and talked to those kids, basically.
The department has also removed the 2 from responding to emergencies, pending the results of an internal investigation. As for the Thunderbolts, they declined our request to comment on the charges. In Silver Spring, Maryland, Dave Laval, DC News Now.